Good morning students, welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are continuing the chapter 4 parts and wholes, and today we will discuss addition of fractions. Now we have already known that fractions, there are two kinds. One is the like fraction, another was the unlike fraction. So first of all, we will discuss about how to add like fractions. So here you can see, I have taken some example. Number 1a, 5 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So you can see here the both denominators are same. So these two fractions are like fractions. So how to add these two like fractions? So it's very easy. Just first draw the middle line. Then you can see the both denominators are 9. And we know that first of all we have to find out the LCM. So LCM of 9 and 9, that is 9. Now just write the denominator and add the two numerators. So 5 plus 2. Now what is the result? 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 9. So it's very easy when the fractions are like fractions. Just write the denominator as here is given and add the numerators. Here 9 and 9, so denominator will be 9, and 5 in numerator, 5 plus 2, so 7 by 9. Now come to the next, but do remember, just keep in your mind that we have to write the answer in simplest form. Now you can see here 7 by 9, there are no common factors which will divide by which we can divide both the numerator and denominator. So this is the simplest form. Now in number B, you can see the fractions are 7 by 18 plus 8 by 18. So here the denominators are 18. So write 18. And in numerator, first is 7 plus next is 8. Now 7 plus 8, that is 15 by 18. But this is not the correct result because the fraction is not in the simplest form. Now we have to cancel it. So 15 and 18, you can see we can divide both by 3. Now when I am cancelling by 3, dividing by 3, the numerator will come 5, 3 5s are 15, and the denominator will come 6. So 5 by 6. If the result comes in the improper fraction, must convert it to mixed fraction. So here 7 by 18 plus 8 by 18, so denominator will be 18, that is their LCM is 18, LCM of denominators, and the numerator will be 7 plus 8, so 15 by 18. So now cancel by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So answer will be 5 by 6, and this is the least form or simplest form. So in this way we can add the two or more like fractions. if there are three fractions, suppose if I take 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7 plus 5 by 7. Now you can see what are the denominator 7. So denominator will be 7. In numerator 2 plus 4 plus 5. Now you can see 2 plus 4 plus 5, that is 5 plus 4 9 plus 2 11 by 7. Now you can see this is the improper fraction. So convert it to mixed fraction. You will get 1 whole 4 by 7. So 1 whole 4 by 7 is the answer. So in this way we can add 2 or more like fractions. Now another case. Now if the fractions are unlike fractions, then what will you do? First of all, first case number 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Here you can see the denominators are not equal. So these are not the like fractions. These are unlike fractions. So in this case, what we have to do, first of all, we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. So draw the line. Now you can see here the denominators are 4 and 6. How to get the LCM or how to find out the LCM? Just divide it in such a number by which number both are divisible. Not only one divisible, both are divisible. So first of all, we will divide by 2. So 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. Now you can see there are no such numbers by which 2 and 3 both are divisible. So what is the LCM? LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3. That is 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 is the LCM. So write the 12 in denominator position. Now everyone notice very carefully. First of all, we have to find out the denominators of LCM of the denominators. And we got the LCM of denominators 4 and 6 is 12. Now divide the denominator by the LCM by the denominator. Now when I am dividing 12 by 4, I will get the quotient 3 and multiply the quotient with the numerator. That is 1 into 3 plus 12 divided by 6, that is 2. So 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Now you can see 1 into 3, 3 ones are 3 plus 5 twos are 10 divided by 12. Now 10 plus 3, that is 13 by 12. So 13 by 12, if you convert into mixed fraction, you will get 1 whole 1 by 12. 1 whole 1 by 12. Similarly, in the second problem, 12 and 24. So first of all, find out the LCM of denominators. Here the denominators are 12 and 24. First of all, divide by 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Again by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Now by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So just multiply this. You will get the LCM. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. As you can see, one is the multiple of the other. So big number will be the LCM. 12 and 24. Here 24 will be the LCM. Now divide the 24 by 12. You will get 2. So multiply the numerator by 2 plus 12 in 24 in divided by 24. You will get 1. So 9 into 1. Process is we have to find out the LCM by the denominator, and what the quotient we will get, we have to multiply the numerator with that quotient. Now you can see 5 2s are 10 plus 9 1s are 9 divided by 24. So 10 plus 9, that is 19 by 24. And we cannot divide both by any number. So it is the least form. So in this way, everyone, you can add the 2 or more unlike fractions. So whatever we have discussed in the first case, that is addition of like fraction, in that case, first of all, you will get that here in this case denominators will be same. If the denominators will be same, no need to do the find out the LCM. In LCM position, you can write easily the denominator. So in first case it is 9, and just add the numerators. 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 9. So in this way you can add like fractions and you can add unlike fractions. Now here are some problems I have given you for your practice. Number 1, add the following like fraction. Number A, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. B, 8 by 11 plus 3 by 11. C, 7 by 22 plus 9 by 22. D, 3 by 8 plus 11 by 8. E, 21 by 13 plus 18 by 13. And number 2, add the following unlike fractions. Number A, 3 by 7 plus 5 by 3. B, 9 by 12 plus 4 by 7. C, 2 by 6 plus 9 by 12. D, 8 by 15 plus 7 by 10. E, 12 by 14 plus 9 by 7. But everyone do it, remember very carefully that you have to leave or find out the result in the simplest form, and if it comes in improper fraction, you have to convert it to mixed fraction. So everyone must to practice in this way.